We all like to save a little extra money here and there if we can. If you live alone, have a small family, or are generally very water efficient, having a meter installed could help reduce your water bill. Lots of our customers have already made the switch and found that a water meter works for them. You could save money. The less water you use, the lower your bill. They're free, as long as we can fit the meter onto the plumbing at your property. They're good for the environment. Households with meters tend to use less water overall. And you can change your mind. If you find you're not saving money, you can switch back to your unmeasured charge at any time within 2 years of having your meter installed. Complete our online usage calculator to find out how a water meter could affect your bill and complete the application form at the end. We aim to install your meter within 3 months of your application, and we'll be in touch to arrange a visit to your property and arrange a fitting. We might even be able to do it on the day. For you, not for profit.